My dear friends, this is yet another happy day. A day full of love, light, and happiness, prosperity, wisdom, and peace. Each day is a new beginning. Each day is filled with so much of opportunities, love, light, happiness. Can you hear the sound? This is the flame of the forest, and some yellow flowering plants are there, which indicates prosperity. So this is henna plant over here. So many trees are there. I'll show you the aerial view, then you'll have a good idea about all the plants and flowers here. After this rain, everything is green. The naked eyes, so nice. The flower bed, yellow flower bed. And after this rain, all these petals have fallen down. Yesterday it was more of yellow, golden showers. So many similar trees are here. I'll show you one after another.